Hey guys, welcome back and hello, how are you doing today? Let's do some eyelashes, okay? So I'm going to be using these strip lashes and I like to use this glue. This is a bonding glue. It's very easy to stick in and out. So I'm going to, how to remove this thing so that you don't ruin it. You go from the middle, pull it out a bit. If it's hard, start from here. That's it. So I pulled the middle out first and then I started from one of the edges. And to continue, I'm going to put the lashes at the middle. And I'll use a scissors and clip out the ends. You see the black things at the end? If you don't take it off, you will be having a nipping end all through. And it's quite uncomfortable. So snap it off. And for the glue, I'm just going to use the rat tail comb bottom. I got some. So I'm just going to rub it on this. The reason why I like to use this is quite easy to come off when you want to remove it. But you need to put like a generous amount if you need it to stay all through. Just like this. Okay. And I'm going to let it stay a bit ticky. And remember the place you're putting is a longer bit goes at the corner of the eyes and the shorter bit goes between the bridge of your nose. So to apply this, I would like to reposition my tweezer. Put it this way so that I'm able to apply. So this goes for this eye. As you can see, it's for this eye. So therefore, I will still reposition my distance because it's for this eye. So I'll come closer to the mirror and make sure that I'll apply the middle first, pull my lashes down with it, put it here first. You then go ahead and use the edge of your tweezer. Make sure it's positioned well, and down here, make sure it's also positioned well. That's it. So this is a wispy. You open my eye. If it's cat eye, I would put it this way so that it gives me. But because of the look I'm going for, I wanted a wisp look, and this is it. Very short, beautiful and classic. Can you see the difference? Eyelashes brings your makeup out. It makes you look outstanding and beautiful. And then this one, we're gonna go ahead and do this one, and I'll come closer to the camera. So you see, when you do it, there won't be any gap between your lashes because you have to use this and pull down your own lashes and then put it inside so that it stays, and then you position it. But if you put it like this without pulling it down, then you'll not get any between the lashes, and then that's when you see that space. But there's no space underneath. That means it's done properly. So I'm gonna do this again, repeat this side. There we go. So I'm gonna snap. Hey, this is a disclaimer. You do not need to use tweezer if you cannot manage it or you don't know how to use it, so that you're not going to poke your eyes. Please don't say the marshal told you to use the tweezer. You can use it to place it there at first and then use your bare hands to arrange it. Please don't poke your eyes. Please don't hold me responsible. Use it if you're professional enough to use it or you can handle it. If not, please do not bring this near your eyes so that you don't poke your eyes. Thanks. It stayed. There's no space there. Just like there's no space here as well. So as it is, it's ready. It's tacky. It's staying.